E get one Lagos big boy wey just sign ordinary paper. Next thing, millions just vanish like say dem use juju carry am. No be joke o, make I yarn you wetin really happen. If na your first time here, welcome to Make We Yan Tori, where we dey break love stories for your side every day. Make you no forget to subscribe, like and share. So e be like this. Segun dey run business for Lagos. One day, he meet one supplier wey promise am better goods for good price. As Lagos business be, everything fast, no time. Dem bring contract come give Segun make he sign. Segun just glance am small. He no really read everything. Him mind be say, abeg make I just sign, make business move. Time no dey. Na so he sign. Few weeks later, wahala start. Goods wey dem deliver no correct at all. Some spoil, some no even reach wetin dem agree. Segun vex. He call supplier say, guy, take back your goods, return my money. Supplier just laugh small, say, oga, check your contract well. Na there Segun gon bring paper come out, begin read am well this time. Na so he see one line wey go almost give am BP. All payments are final. Goods sold are non-refundable. Segun shout, ha, wetin be this? But e don late, money don go. Na so Segun rush go court. For court, him lawyer Tola try argue say, my lord, my client no fully understand the clause. But Judge Ajayi just adjust glasses, look Segun, talk calmly. Mr. Segun, contract na agreement. Once you sign, e mean say you agree, whether you read am or not. Court quiet. Segun just bow head. That day, lesson land heavy. Judge rule in favor of the supplier. Segun lose millions of naira just like that. Always read contract well before you sign. That small line where you ignore fit cost you big money. Be honest, when last you read contract finish before signing? Abi na just sign and go. Drop your answer, make we hear.